buddy's gooseneck today. First time pulling a fifth wheel with the new flatbed. See how she holds up. Hopefully my weld's hold. If not, I guess I have to fix it. All loaded. Now granted, these boxes aren't full. If they were full, there's no way I'd be able to pull this many. So all these are empty boxes, so the load's really not that heavy. But it'll be a good test to see how the gooseneck holds up and how the truck handles her. The old blue ox cleaned up. She was getting a little dirty. Now that we got this flatbed on here, I want to try to keep her clean most of the time. For as old as she is, she cleans up pretty good. There's obviously some little rust spots, but still cleans up nice for being over 20 years old. Let's kind of go see what they got done today.
All right, everybody, here is a little sneak peek of the bin site so far. This is the progress where we're at. I know I haven't talked a whole lot about the bin site, but I'm gonna make a separate video here really shortly. We just got done planting last week, so I got time to make a video. Gonna explain the events of the derecho, gonna explain all the specifications of the new bin site and everything that goes along with it. So just stay tuned and keep an eye out for that video. It'll be coming really soon.
All right, here we are at my place. I'm gonna see if this big old thing is gonna fit. I'm not even gonna attempt to record while I'm backing in. So in the next clip, you'll either see if it's in there or if it's not. So here we go. Well, here's your answer. We got it in. It was really close, but we got her in here. So we just gotta make sure when we go to pull it out, just take your time, go easy, lower it down, and you're good. Out here on rock today, the new grain site, aka Area 21. Got a lot done the past few days. About got the second bin pad filled with rock. We'll need some more for the leg footing and then the wet bin yet, so we're just gonna keep grinding away on that. Off we go.
Hey everybody, I am officially done with school for this semester. It's Friday, May 7th. I'm gonna do a little dirt scraping. Okay, Blizzard. Good girl. The joys of post-planting cleanup. It's probably one of the worst jobs. But, you know the good old saying, you take care of equipment, it'll take care of you. Right now we're just washing up the anhydrous bar. All done with it. We're gonna wash up the tractor. Megan's in the cab cleaning it out. Dad and Devin are scraping some dirt and hauling some rock. Using the soap cannon, soaping her up, letting all the grease and grime rinse away.
Doing a little bit of dirt work today. Gonna build this up. It's not gonna be completely up to the same level, but it's just gonna be a step down, get this flat and leveled up. And we're gonna have like an auxiliary driveway here, so you can park pickups and stuff out of the way when you're, working around the grain site and you're not parking in the way of traffic. So that's what we decided to do. Originally I thought we were gonna taper this all up and just kind of make it a gradual slope. We're just gonna stair step it. So it'll be the main drive and building, little slope, flat driveway, and then maybe slope it down to back to the ditch.
We got the anhydrous bar nice and washed up. We're gonna put that away in the shed, and also this planter and this tractor. Do some little bit of equipment shuffling. We put most of our equipment over in this shed here at Devin's, and it's a 60 feet wide by 205 feet long. Seems big, but you'd be surprised how fast it fills up. Don't try this at home. These little planters are heavier than they look. All right, the equipment shuffle is over. Basically got everything where we want it. Dad's planter's gonna go right there where that combine is. That combine's gonna have to come out sooner or later. So we'll probably put it up to the front, and then we'll leave this combine here because it's gonna be coming out here this summer to get ready. So we only got room here. We gotta put the mail row planter back here, and then there's a little room up front. So you can see how fast these buildings fill up, even though how big they are. Right, Bucky? I'd say she cleans up pretty good for being 15 years old. Time for a break. Time for Mustard Minute Volume 2. Talking about fuel hose protocol today. Let's get it. Alright, so for this Mustard Minute, we're going to be talking about what to do with the fuel hose when you're done filling up. So let's say you're filling up a semi or something. You just get done and the fuel hose is all strung out. You go to put it back. Yeah, you just put it back right in the thing, right? No. You gotta be careful about what you're doing. You don't want to leave the fuel hoses outside of this nice concrete wall we got here. So once you get done fueling, you obviously put the fuel nozzle back in its little holder. Then you take the hose, make sure you get it nice, tucked away, so that's not hanging out in the way where it can get driven on. So this tank is just a little bit different because it doesn't have a retaining wall like the other one does. So when you get done fueling, so you obviously put the nozzle back, you take the hose, you got to curl it up a certain way so it hangs like that. Then you take it, you put it just over the pump, try to even it out
So it's nice, hung up out of the way. It's not drooping down here where it can get smashed or whatever else. So always make sure you put the fuel hose away correctly. All right, that's it for Mustard Minute Volume 2. Pretty simple one, but something you gotta think about. Now let's go back to the show. Look at that little tratter. A little tratter, a little 420, and a big tratter, 9430. Little tratters need loving too. Yeah, get in there nice and deep like. Hop down. Hop down. Look at that young lawnmower, Bobby Boucher. No, that speed go. No. That'll go 10. Put it in rabbit mode. What? He's not even. Are you even ready? Woo! Yeah! Hey, what do you think you're doing? You're supposed to stay up there. They don't call it a work zone for nothing. Dad's out here just leveling out some dirt. We created this berm here to create this drainage ditch that's gonna come right through here and out into that waterway. This berm, it matches the one that we originally had here. So all that water will come down to here, flow down there into that waterway under the ditch, and then that creek down there. So we did all this so we could keep all the water away from area 21 that's coming from the field. Give me some. Good girl. Dad's just moving a little gravel around out here. Got a big pile we gotta get spread out, so he's just working at that. As far as talk words hard. As far as equipment that still needs to be washed and put away, the quad hog is gonna stay out, and the VT, because we've got to go plant into that alfalfa and rye, and we're thinking we're probably gonna work it up with the VT before we plant it. So those are gonna stay out. My dad's planter has to stay out because it's gonna be planting into that rye, and the 8400 and the male bar are still out because we still have to plant male corn, which I believe we will be doing Monday. Jeez. You need to lose some weight. It's almost like you went to like an aluminum body or something. Nice pickup. Yeah, you too, thanks. How much does that weigh? Yeah. Go run it.
let's go see if the old F-250 needs, oh my, I don't know if you can see that. Woo! 8,000? Dang, we need to get her on a workout program.
I don't know what's going on there, but I'm just gonna, I don't even know. I don't know what's going on over there.
Well guys, today was a little bit of a gloomy day. Wasn't a lot going on. We spent most of the day just washing equipment, getting it put away in the shed. So as far as some upcoming things, just continuing working on the bin site, and we'll be mowing hay before we know it. So stay tuned. Just want to take some time to say thank you to anybody and everybody who watches my videos. It means a lot. The support is awesome. I hear people and it just keeps motivating me to keep doing it. And my brothers love doing it. My dad loves doing it. Everybody loves doing it. So I'm going to stay at it. And I'm having fun. And I'm excited to see what I can do with this. So thank you. I think one of the hardest things about videotaping yourself is, do I look at the camera? Do I look at me? Make sure I don't look weird? I don't know. But then I feel like I'm staring into your soul, but then I'm like glancing over it.